this is the January glossy box. This edit is called Mindful Mornings. So yeah, without further ado, let's get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have an unboxing for you, and it is this. So this is the January box. Let's get it out of here. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit the notification bell as well. It will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I have a future giveaway on at the moment. I'm going to link a video just here. If you click on that link, it's going to show you what's going to be in the giveaway. The main prize being the glossy advent calendar for 2021. Such a good advent calendar, and there's two other great prizes as well. So yeah, I will be doing that giveaway when I get to 2,000 subscribers. So please share with your family and your friends, and if they like the content that I create, they can subscribe and we'll get there a bit quicker and I can give these prizes out. So just to be totally clear and transparent, this box was gifted to me. I did not pay for this box. It was gifted to me in return to do an unboxing on my channel. My opinions are my own. Just because I've been gifted this does not mean that I have to say lovely things about it. If I find anything negative about the box, I certainly will say it. If I don't, then I won't. So yeah, let's get on with it. So here is the box that we come to love. Everybody knows the pink glossy box. This is inside the box. What is this? We've gone digital. Okay. Mindful mornings. Grab your phone and point your camera to the QR code. Check out our interactive glossy magazine. We wanted to bring you even more excitement, content, and save the planet while we're at it. Want to read yours? Try me out. Okay, let's get my phone. And there it is, all digital. Fantastic. So it just says that the January edit is called Mindful Mornings. If you are interested in subscribing to GlossyBox, I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box along with my code. So if you click that link and do a purchase, you get your first box for £10, I believe. If you use my code, just pop the code in when you go to checkout. I can't get my words out today, oh my goodness. So it's £13.25 per month for this. If you do a 3, 6 or a 12-month subscription, it gradually gets cheaper, which is amazing. And yeah, they do skincare, hair care, beauty tools, makeup, other stuff as well. But let's have a sneak peek. And there we go, there is a quick sneak peek for you. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Right, so on the edit card, there's just a little note there saying, "Hi Glossies, as January is all about starting anew, I firstly wanted to welcome you all to the first ever digital monthly magazine. As well as the incredible handy product information you're used to receiving in your glossy box, we're now bringing you even more. Expect trending stories, expert tips and tricks, and of course plenty of sneak peeks into what's in store for the months to come. To help you kickstart each and every day this month, look no further than our January Mindful Mornings glossy box, packed with 5 products that are perfect for slow and steady mornings, as well as a snug day on the sofa, hidden away from the cold." Yeah, hell yeah. This edit really is a new year treat your mind and body has been waiting for. Cool. Right guys, so the first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Nails Inc. It is Gel Rehab Strengthening Nail Treatment. This miracle 10-in-1 recovery treatment and base coat works intensely to repair dry, damaged nails in just 30 minutes. Perfect if you're someone who's not always got the time to take things slow. This powerful formula contains keratin-rich spinach, seaweed extract, peptides, nitrocellulose, I've said that wrong, sorry, and kale, which together work to strengthen, regenerate and hydrate nails, preventing against any any further damage. The RRP is for a deluxe mini 10ml, which is what this is. There's 10ml in here. It's £11. If you were to go on and buy a full size, which is 14ml, it would be £15. But let's just have a little look there. So yeah, a little treatment for the nails. That's really good. So we've got a lovely brush there that we always get with nails ink. Smells just like normal nail polish. But yeah, I quite like the idea of that. I'll certainly have to give that a go. Second product we have is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Botanicals, and it is Apothecary. This is a full-size product, and it's a cocoa and coconut superfood facial cleansing bar. It just says start your day feeling uplifted and energized with the help of this cleansing bar, created to clean, hydrate and gently exfoliate your face, body and hands, and give you a blissful scent every morning. Key ingredient is glycerin, which is well known for moisturising and nourishing benefits, while coconut oil is full of antioxidants, fatty acids and essential nutrients for happy skin. So the RRP for this is £9.90. That's what it looks like there. He's got little bits in. God, that smells absolutely delicious. Delicious. It certainly looks lovely. It smells lovely. And Dr. Botanicals is a great brand. Right, so the third product we have is this. Loving the baby boo packaging, it's gorgeous. This is by the brand Glow On Fifth. This is a full-size product and it's a Lip Dew Tinted Lip Balm. It just says, give your lips the care and attention they deserve with this ultra moisturising, I can't talk today, lip balm, helping to soothe and smooth dry lips thanks to key ingredients such as shea butter. This cooling treatment also gives off the look of lip gloss, wear alone or on top of your favourite lipstick to add some shine. Oh, fantastic. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. So that is what it looks like. Right, so that is the colour there. Will that look okay on top of what I've got? Right, so I've only put it on the bottom, not the top. Yeah, you can tell it's really pretty. I do apologise about that. It is clearing up. Don't you just hate Crohn's? Let's put it here. Yeah, that's really lovely on the lips. Not sticky at all. It's got a really pleasant taste to it as well. I'm going to be licking my lips for ages now. Right guys, so the fourth product, it's just showing you on the edit card, you're going to get one of these 4 products it's showing you. So the one I have received is this, so it's mudmasky. So mudmasky is making the rounds through the beauty boxes the last few months, but it's nice to see on here there's some different products that they're giving out for it, which is great. So one of the products, one of the mudmasky products you could receive is a Leave Me On winter mask, which is worth £33. Or you could receive a mineral infused double cleansing mask, which is worth £43. You could receive a blue light mask, which is worth £42. Or yeah, you could receive the one I've got, which is a vitamin A booster blue clay mask, which is worth £40.50. So the one I've got, it just says formulated with a blend of flowers, fruits and grade 1 clay. This mask draws out dirt from your pores while simultaneously, I can't even say the word, simultaneously refining and tightening pores too. Your skin will look visibly smoother after just one use. Featuring powerhouse ingredient bok choy, I hope I'm saying that correctly, I'm probably not, a natural alternative to retinol. You're sure to notice a brighter complexion, a more even skin tone, boosted suppleness, and that texture and fine lines are reduced. Yeah, that sounds absolutely amazing. So yeah, I've recently just done a big sort out of my face masks. I'm going to be starting my face mask series soon. I'm going to link a video here. Click on that link there and you can see me sorting out my face masks. It was a task and a half. If you go over to my community page, I am doing a vote for the first face mask to feature on my face mask series, so make sure you go over there and vote. But yeah, really happy to get that. And then on the next page of the edit card, you're going to get one of those two. So you will either receive something by Nano brand, which is a vitamin C body milk, or you'll receive something by Ico, which is a spotlight highlighter pencil. So the naobay one is worth £10 and the ico one is worth £15. The one I have received is this one by naobay. So I'm actually really happy because I love vitamin C. It says this moisturising cream is rich in vitamin C as well as natural avocado and olive oils, which work to improve skin's elasticity and firmness, providing long-lasting hydration. This pleasantly orange-scented milk illuminates dry, dull skin. A perfect pick-me-up. Yeah, cool. Just popped a little bit on there. Oh yeah, it's very hydrating. Oh, that's lovely. Really nice smell. It's a very subtle orange. It's a very relaxing smell as well. Nice. Right guys, so this is the January GlossyBox. What do you think? Right guys, so personally, I'm really liking this box. It's nice to get something for the nails that's not a nail varnish. We actually have a little treatment that doubles up as a base coat as well. That's really nice to get. That soap or cleansing bar smells absolutely gorgeous. I'm really excited to try that out. And the lip dew is so comfortable on the lips. It feels really nice. Mudmasky product. Yes, we do receive a lot of mudmasky in any of the boxes for the last few months, but out of the 4 products, I think all 4 products I should say, is slightly different to what we have been receiving over the last few months, which is good. And yeah, I'm really happy to get this. I love vitamin C. Normally I kind of just buy stuff vitamin C to hoit on my face, not my body, so it's really nice to get vitamin C for my body. So yeah, overall a really great box. Super happy. Let me know your thoughts, comment down below in the information box. That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!